Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing your iPhone X, update iOS, and open the App Store to install Google Pay. Sign in with your Google account so the app can sync settings. This matters because authentication ties payments to your identity. Next, add a payment method, scan or type card details, and confirm billing address. Once done, Google sends a verification. Complete 2FA if prompted to activate the card. Make sure mobile data or Wi-Fi is active so the app can verify and download needed certificates. You now configure the core features. Enable NFC and background app refresh so Google Pay can communicate with terminals. This is why payments register smoothly. Open Google Pay, confirm card activation, and review transaction settings. Set default card if you have multiple. When paying, unlock your iPhone, open Google Pay or use the wallet shortcut, then hold the top of the phone near the terminal until you see a confirmation. If prompted, authenticate with Face ID or passcode. This step prevents unauthorized charges, and you finish by verifying a test transaction and checking the receipt in Google Pay. This confirms the setup and records merchant details. If a terminal rejects the payment, try toggling NFC, restart the phone, then attempt again. Make sure your bank supports tokenized cards on iOS. Some issuers block third-party wallets. If problems persist, remove and re-add the card, complete verification, and contact your bank. Troubleshooting tip: take screenshots of error messages and authorization codes to speed support resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.